Hello and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to set up and use a Cadence Fidelity feature in just a few minutes. Today, we are going to show you how to export Fidelity LES simulation output in Ensight format to post-process in Meta Post Processor and Cadence C-Post. As you know, Fidelity LES solver has traditionally supported exporting data in a variety of formats including ASCII, VTK, TechPlot, and Ensight. Let us look at the Ensight Gold file format today. In this format, you can store a variety of data variables on various geometric entities like coordinate planes, any plane with a defined axis point and normal, standard surfaces like cylindrical, spherical, and truncated cone sections, or a user-defined surface via an SBIN file, or an isosurface of a specified scalar expression with a scalar value. You can also export the data for an entire fluid volume using the geom_all expression. Let me explain, giving an example each for writing out Fidelity LES output in Ensight format in both volume and surface zones respectively. In the case of volume data, the syntax is as follows. It specifies the data format as Ensight, followed by the write interval from the transient simulation tied to the time step, the name of the output, the geometry, in this case the entire fluid domain as expressed by the geom_all syntax, and the flow variables as defined. The dual command here will export cell data as all tetrahedrals than as polyhedrals, which may help with some post-processing tools. For exporting variables on the surfaces, we specify the geometry to be exported by geometry as zones, followed by the specific zone names that are comma delimited and the various variables under vars command. It is important to note the difference between mask geom versus just geom command. The former outputs only volumetric data, while the latter outputs the surface data too along with it. It is also important to note that the temporal statistics like average data are available only when you have set up the Fidelity LES input file with the stats keyword to input them. You can also write out direct expressions for various parameters like kinetic energy as given below. Once the data is exported, it is stored in a directory containing the scalar and vector files and the .case and .geo files. You can read the .case file in Meta or Cadence C-Post to read the output file and post-process further for various primary and derived variables for both steady and transient data. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.